use special character like this, and underscore is not usable here. Generally, you put underscore. You can put instead dot. Okay. Like you want to put good data, so good underscore data is not acceptable here. You have to put good dot data. And object names are case sensitive, just like commands. You can read the data by just giving simple command like read.table, and in the code I have put Suomi.txt. This is the name of the file which I want to read, and that file is maybe in your desktop or my documents. So you have to check whether working directory is desktop or my document, and then you can change also by giving set wd. So first you have to check where is the working directory. For that command is get wd, and set wd is another command by which you can change the working directory. So here we have three arguments: file name, header that tells whether column has title, and the separator tells that file is wd. It is customary to save the data in object in R. This is done with the assignment operator. So you can put that read table Suomi.txt head T separator tab. Here the data read from the file Suomi.txt is saved as an object that in R memory. So now R memory is handling it as an object that. Okay. The name of the object is on the left, and what is assigned of the object is on the right. And read table function creates a data frame here. Individual columns of the data frame also you can access by there are two different ways of doing that. One is that you can put data.year, $8 So dollar you can put in between, which is the operator that accesses the column. You can also split the data frame into variables using the names directly. Like you can put attach. If you put attach, and in bracket you can put that is the name of the data frame. You can access each year, each column you can access now. Okay. Otherwise, you have to use the previous command, that is $year, or you can use subscript. Subscripts can be used inside a square bracket after the object name, like date. You can put this one. If you put before, I think there's some error here. So if you are putting comma after this, you can access the row. Okay, and if you are putting comma before that, you can access the column. Okay, for example, you want to access the first row and first column. For that, 1, 1. Okay, you can also get the first row. So this is what we have done here. So now that is now the object, not a command. And subscripts can be used for extracting a subset of data. For example, you want all the data which is after 1900. Okay? So you can give command like this, that which $year more than 1990. You can also write a table. So you can read a table as well as you can write a table. And for that, command is very simple, write.table. And this is the name of the dat is the name of the object in R. And this is the dat.txt is the name of the file which you want to write. And here separator is the tab. Instead of tab separator, you can put a comma separator as well. You can also capture what is written on the screen, like command called sync. And you can quit the R using Q command. Okay. So in summary, you can write command can be recognized from the bracket that follow them. You can calculate how many bracket pair there are. You will be able to identify the number of commands. Assignment operator, assignment to an object is denoted by 2 symbols or equal symbol also. And but if you see a notation like that double equal, then you look for comparison operator. Table-like objects are often followed by square brackets, and special characters like $ and @ are used denoting individual columns in the data frame. Installing is very simple. You have to go to the CRAN site. You can download from CRAN site. This is the CRAN site. And you have different mirrors for CRAN site. You can just download from anywhere. You will get a Windows version. If you are using Windows, you can also install it in Linux or Mac computers. And this is base. First you have to install. First you have to install the base one. And then you will get this program and you can just install it. But before ending my talk, I can give you a warning. Using R is taking to smoking. The beginning is difficult. One may get headache and even gag in the first few times. But in the long run, it becomes pleasurable and even addictive. Yet deep down, for those willing to be honest, there is something not fully healthy in it. So this is a caution. R is glamorous as well as R is addictive. If you are addicted to R, your desktop should always have R. You will never forget R. So I'm also one of the person who is addicted to R since 2007. Now you can ask me a question. Yes. Any question you have? Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir, could you please share this PPT?
I will not share the PPT. I will share you important things which will help you in understanding the R. Actually, I conducted one workshop in 2011. I'm having the booklet of that workshop. Okay, I will share it with you. All the details are there. PPT is just indicative, but there you will get everything, whatever you want. Okay, let me check where it is.
Okay, sir.
Now I think you got the manual. Can you see the manual in your classroom? You check in the classroom. I have shared with you.
Yes, sir. Got it, sir.
Okay. So this manual was used by International Center for Genetic Engineering and Biotechnology for their workshop maybe in 2013-14. So they requested me to use this manual. I have gladly given to them. And it was hosted on our website for a long time, but I don't know why the people have removed it from the website. But it is I share to my students every year. Okay, so you see it's very useful. All the commands are there, all the instructions are there in the manual. You just read it and do by yourself. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
very good. So enjoy the journey of R with me, and I will be in systems biology also. Sometimes I will show you some demonstration using R. Okay, yeah. So I think we have to close now because I have to attend one meeting of DC of PTV Lakshmi Madam. So who is absent today? Can you tell me? You are only 11, I think. Let me check. Amal is there. Arnab is there. Bablu is there. Chandan is there. Chandini is there. Vidya is there. Hema is there. Mathangi is there. Megha is there. She is there. Sadia is there. Tish is there. Subhash is there. Devanand is not there. Vishal is there. Okay. So thank you, and we will meet in the next class. Generally, I start class around 10:45. So you join around 10:45. Okay. Even if I am 5 minutes late, you just wait for me.